Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to do the first time setup on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do the first time setup of your Samsung phone, first of all, just tap on English and from this list, just select your language. Then select OK and tap on Start. From here, just select Agree to All and tap on Agree. Then select Setup manually. And from here, just connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi network. After you enter the password of your Wi-Fi network, then tap on Connect. Now, if you want to copy the data from your Google account, just tap on Next. Otherwise, you can select Don't Copy. Now, in this section, just enter your email address. Then tap on Next. And from here, just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your email address, then tap on Next. Now, if your child will be using this device, just select My child will be using this device. Otherwise, just select I'll be using this device and tap on Next. Now just select I agree. Now if you want to enroll a screen lock password, you can do it from here. Otherwise, you can skip this step. Then tap on Skip anyway. Tap on More and tap on Accept. Now if you want to back up your data from your Google account, just tap on Turn on Backup. Otherwise, you can select Don't Backup. Tap on More and select I agree. Select I agree. Now, if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can tap on Sign in with Google and you can do it from here. Otherwise, just tap on Forgot Password or Don't have an account and select Set up later in Settings. Select Skip and tap on Agree. Now just select your display mode. You can select Dark mode or you can select Light mode. Then tap on Next. And as you can see, you are all set up. Now just tap on Home. And this is how you can do the first time setup on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.